she's actually moving away in a positive way. We're always. I really feel that she's ready now to have a child.
It's like a pneumatic drill.
Oh gosh, I want to see it.
You say things like we a lot. She's gonna do something or she wants or
That is wow. We're gonna be okay. It's perfect, isn't it?
Alright, so I can up now.